Hi everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to add product filters to Shopify. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses for filters. And let me just do that, and I'm going to search it for within the App Store domain. So here, as you can see, a lot of filters are going to pop up. We have our product filters and search. I recommend this one. You can see we're gonna have this type of filters onto our page. Let's just install it. So just wait for a couple of seconds until it installs, and then what are we gonna do is let's just wait and click on install. So it is now installing. Make sure that it do have free plan and whatever app that you are installing, so it is being installed. Alright, so now it is loading and we can easily synchronize it with our data. It is basically automatic, and once you do that, you will be able to see some filters are gonna show up into our online platform. So yeah, it is syncing. So yeah, you can easily add your filters, your search, and it is gonna do the job for you. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.